Hi there. So far we have seen how we can use the while loop and how we can perform this particular exercise where we find out the reverse of a given number. No matter what is the length of that number, we have to find out the reverse of that number, and I hope you have completed the exercise. So moving forward, these are some exercises for you. Most of them are very simple and have nothing to use except for, if and while loop. So the first program is write a program to print square of all numbers from 0 to 10. Write a Python program to find out the sum of all even numbers from 0 to 10. Write a Python program to read three numbers A, B and C and check how many of the numbers are between 100 and 1000. You just have to print the numbers present in 100 and 1000. So out of this A, B, C, which are between 100 and 1000, that's what you have to print. And lastly, write a Python program to print the first 10 numbers of a Fibonacci series. Here you have to apply some mathematics to find out the Fibonacci series and print the first 10 numbers. I hope you will enjoy these exercises and try them on your own. The solutions for these exercises will not be given. You have to find out those solutions and experiment with them. Thanks for watching.